So, finally, we arrive at Specification 7, which brings this unit, and this entire chapter on human nutrition, to a conclusion. Specification 7 requires us to state the function of the hepatic portal vein as the route taken to the liver by most of the molecules and ions absorbed from the ileum. In the accompanying diagram, you can see the following structures labeled: inferior vena cava, aorta, liver, hepatic artery, gallbladder, hepatic portal vein, and common bile duct. It shows the hepatic portal vein, which is the key vessel responsible for transporting absorbed molecules such as glucose, amino acids, and ions from the ileum to the liver. By highlighting the vein's position relative to the liver and other vessels such as the hepatic artery and the inferior vena cava, the diagram helps illustrate how the hepatic portal vein uniquely carries nutrient-rich blood to the liver before it enters the general circulation. The hepatic portal vein is the main vessel responsible for transporting nutrient-rich blood from the intestines to the liver. After absorption through the intestinal wall, essential nutrients, ions, and water enter the bloodstream, making the blood rich in food molecules but relatively low in oxygen. Instead of moving straight into the general circulation, this blood is first directed by the hepatic portal vein to the liver. Here, the liver acts as the processing center, assimilating, modifying, and storing nutrients to make them suitable for the body's needs. Once processed, the nutrients rejoin the body's double circulation system to be delivered to cells and tissues. In addition, the liver detoxifies harmful substances, ensuring that only safe, usable materials enter the wider bloodstream. And with that, we wrap up Unit 8.3, which is also the final unit of Chapter 8, Human Nutrition. I hope these videos have been helpful for you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with the past paper questions from this unit. See you in the next video.